I am Evan Dancel. I got my first Martin back in May 2014. This one, right here. It's a DRS one, and I still use it until today. So I got this 2 years ago. I was playing the electric guitar, and even while I was in geography, it was always the electric guitar. So I parang sabi ko, tumatanda na ako. Ang hirap pag palagi maingay. So, sabi ni Jericho sa akin, yeah, you can get a Martin if you like. So, tumingin ako sa catalog. This wasn't my first choice. But then when I visited the Mega Mall branch, parang I saw this behind the counter, and man, it was love at first sight. The day I picked it up was actually a few days before my birthday, and like a birthday show somewhere in QC. And then pagdating ko sa store, the entire time, I was just ang laki-laki ng ngiti ko, parang batang pumunta sa candy shop. I have to admit, the big factor is the color. Okay, you're not gonna find a lot of guitars with this kind of finish. Marami dyan, lighter yung shade, like the laminated finish. And this is a natural, very natural feel to it. This one in particular, I use when I play with my whole band. Because sometimes I play loud, and I need a guitar that can keep up with them. May natural na malalim na tunog. So, it's really perfect for musicians like me who like to strum a lot. And you have the low-end sound. Even without any amplification whatsoever, mararamdaman mo yung it doesn't lose the high end, but you feel the yung lalim talaga. It's absolutely beautiful talaga. That's what people say when they see me on stage. Parang ganda na tunog ng gitara mo, may sabi sa akin, may kaluluwa. Nax! Now this one naman is a Dreadnought Junior, alright? So a surprise gift from Jericho and JB Music. Obviously, this is a different color. It's smaller. It's a junior. They call it the D Junior also. Pareho lang. Sorry about that. This is a tape inside. Okay, that I can take out. This one has a great treble sound, but it doesn't lose yung malalim na tunog that Martin guitars are known for. My album producer, who's one of the best guitar players in the country, said, brand, kasi matalas, so it's perfect for blocking. But for people like me who like to strum, the Martin is perfect because it has this rich, deep sound. This little one here, this little monster, maintains that sound, pero because it's smaller, kita mo yung talas, and I kid you not. Sometimes when I'm playing at the bar, and then I go to the middle, I go right to the crowd without any amplification, dinig pa rin yung gitara kahit na mas maliit siya. Yung high end naman, lumilitaw din without sacrificing the low end. So here. Lumilitaw na yung mga ninipis na strings. Pareho lang sa volume knob and tone knob. Hindi malayo yung volume niya. Itong dalawa. Despite the difference in size, it's very handy and it's very easy to back up. Well, on the physical side of things, this one comes with a hard case. The DRS one comes with a hard case. And this one comes with a really cool soft case that you can carry around like a backpack. If you're going to the airport, and if you don't trust like airport people, I'm not saying you shouldn't. You should be very careful. Okay, I'm gonna use the word careful. I use my DRS one because the hard case is perfect. I use this for out-of-town trips, mostly because I'm not sure if the airline people will allow me to carry my guitar onto the plane. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Depende lang. Now, I use this guitar for more intimate sets. Like, I really love using this guitar at bars. I used this one time at the beach show in Zambales. Mas maliit ng konti yung tunog niya. Hindi may iwasan dahil mas maliit siya kaysa sa DRS-1 ko. So I had to adjust the bass a little bit. The treble, okay na eh. It's an open air venue and I was playing with the band. And they play really loud sometimes, so we had to adjust the volume. It's a good thing that the instrument actually dictates the flow of the show, the arrangement of the songs. I think it's nice. What I love most about my current setup kasi is that sometimes I rearrange songs so that I start off just with the acoustic guitar. And then there are parts ng mga kanta talaga na binababa namin para marinig yung acoustic guitar. On many occasions, when people see me backstage, like fans see me backstage, they say, "Anong Martin yung dala mo?" Because they know I have 2 guitars na eh. "Anong dala mo? Yung Dreadnought Junior o yung mas malaki?" So, it feels good to be associated, of course, with the brand. Martin kasi is Martin's it's one of the most prestigious guitar brands out there. I've always wanted one. I'm not gonna claim to be a guitar expert. So when I choose guitars talaga, and I think this is also what you should do. When you choose guitars, you listen to your gut, you listen to your heart. Okay, when you see something you like, lapitan nyo. Ay, di ba? Parang pagkain. Pag nakita nyo yung pagkain, tapos gusto nyo, lapitan nyo yung pagkain. I have no preference. Love them both.